The Ionic Blow Dryer, model 7T1000, is equipped with an impressive high-speed brushless motor that spins at 170,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring ultra-fast drying times. This hairdryer features a high-definition display, offering a customizable experience with 5 temperature settings and 2 speed settings, providing a total of 10 different combinations. Advanced negative ion technology helps maintain hair's moisture and silky texture while reducing static, dryness, and frizz, making it an ideal choice for healthy hair care. The dryer incorporates intelligent temperature control, adjusting the air temperature over 500 times per second to prevent hair damage from overheating. Designed with low noise operation at only 51 decibels, this lightweight dryer is perfect for both home and travel use, ensuring convenience without disturbing others. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of a UL-certified safety plug, providing users peace of mind during use.